Tired of small issues taking up your time? Here are 50 easy but clever life tips that can save you time, money, and possibly your patience. Let's get started. No unnecessary stuff, just smart fixes. Hack 1. Clear a clogged drain with baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the blocked drain. Then add 1 cup of white vinegar. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour hot water down it, and voila, your drain works like new again. No need for a plumber or harsh chemicals. Hack 2. Seal a plastic bag. Without a clip, take an empty plastic bottle. Cut off the neck, including the cap. Put your open snack bag through the neck and fold it over the edge. Then screw the cap on. Your bag is now sealed tight. No more stale snacks. Hack 3. Make an ice pack that doesn't leak. Fill a Ziploc bag with dish soap. Yes, really. Seal it and put it in the freezer. It stays soft and cool for a long time. Plus, it won't spill or make a mess when it thaws. Hack 4. Create an instant phone stand. Grab a pair of sunglasses. Open them and flip them upside down. Place your phone between the arm pieces. Perfect angle for watching videos on the go. Hack 5. Peel garlic quickly. Put garlic cloves in a jar. Close the lid and shake it hard for 15 seconds. Open it. The skins come off easily. No more messy fingers or wasted time. Hack 6. No more slipping rugs. Take some hot glue and draw lines on the bottom of your rug. Let it dry completely before putting it on the floor. Now your rug sticks to the ground. No more sliding or tripping. Hack 7. Fix a zipper that won't stay up. Put a small keyring through the zipper pull. Zip up, then hook the ring over the pants button before closing it. The zipper will stay locked all day. No more awkward moments. Hack 8. Quick phone speaker boost. Place your phone inside an empty glass or mug. The sound naturally gets louder. No need for Bluetooth or wires. Great for quick music or hand-free calls. Hack 9. Chill drinks faster. Wrap a damp paper towel around your bottle. Put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. It will be ice cold much faster than usual. Hack 10. No more cable mess. Attach binder clips to the edge of your desk. Run your cables through the metal loops. Hack 25. Use empty toilet rolls to store cables. Label them and stack them up. No more tangled wires. Hack 26. Hang a pants hanger upside down. Clip your tablet on it. Instantly create a stand. Hack 27. Place a spoon under the pot lid. Stops the lid from rattling. Steam can escape safely. Hack 28. Spray thread with hairspray. It stiffens up. Makes threading the needle much easier. Hack 29. Hang a tennis ball in your garage. Tap the windshield. You'll know when you're perfectly parked. Hack 30. Press bread on broken glass. It grabs the tiny pieces with ease. Hack 31. Wrap a rubber band around a jar lid. Gives it extra grip. Makes opening easier. Hack 32. Throw a dryer sheet in your suitcase. Keeps your clothes smelling fresh. Hack 33. Freeze grapes. Use them instead of ice and wine. They chill the drink without making it watered down. Hack 34. Use a straw to remove strawberry stems. Quick and clean. Hack 35. Slide and flip pancakes in one move. No messy spills. Perfect every time. Hack 36. Use binder clips on your desk. Thread cables through them. Keeps your setup neat and tidy. Hack 37. Cover a Swiffer with a fuzzy sock. It picks up dust. Just wash and reuse. Hack 38. Clean foggy headlights with toothpaste. Scrub and rinse. They'll look like new again. Hack 39. Bend a paperclip into a triangle. Boom, you've got a phone stand. Hack 40. Stick pull noodles in your boots. No more creases or flopping. Hack 41. Fill an orange peel with baking soda. Makes a natural air freshener. Hack 42. Use an egg carton for barbecue sauces. Keeps everything upright and organized. Hack 43. Freeze a soaked sponge in a zip bag. Reusable and no drips. Hack 44. Mark the edge of tape with a bread tag. Easy to find next time. Hack 45. Cut foil with dull scissors. It instantly becomes sharper. Hack 46. Cut off a bottle top. Insert a plastic bag and seal it with the cap. Hack 47. Paint your keys with glitter polish. Makes them easy to spot. Hack 48. Use rubber gloves to open tight jars. Gives you a better grip and twist them open. Hack 49. Soak your shower head in vinegar overnight. Rinse it and it'll be clean again. Hack 50. Stuff wet shoes with newspaper. They'll be dry by the next morning.
Now your charging cords stay in place and don't tangle. Hack 11. Freeze grapes for ice cubes. Want cold wine or juice without watered down taste. Freeze grapes and drop them into your glass. They chill your drink and taste great after. Hack 12. Open tough jar lids easily. Put a thick rubber band around the jar lid. It gives extra grip to twist it off without struggle. Still stuck? Run it under warm water for 30 seconds. Hack 13. Candle wax strip guard. Wrap aluminum foil around the base of a candle. It catches the wax strips and protects your furniture. Plus, it looks like a cool DIY holder. Hack 14. Keep shoes smelling fresh. Put and use tea bags inside your shoes overnight. They absorb moisture and bad smells. Wake up to fresh kicks every day. Hack 15. DIY phones. Stand on the go. Flip your sunglasses upside down and open the arms. Rest your phone between them. Instant phone stand. Perfect angle, no extra gear needed. Hack 16. Remove sticker residue instantly. Put a little cooking oil or peanut butter on the sticky area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it off. No more messy goo, it's clean and smooth. Hack 17. Use a fork to keep tacos upright. Place a metal fork in the center of your plate with the prawns up. Put the taco shell between the prongs. It stays upright while you fill it, no mess. Hack 18. Nail polish key identifier. Paint the top of each house key with a different nail polish color. Now you can easily tell which key is which, no more fumbling. Hack 19. Keep paint from dripping down cans. Wrap a rubber band around the top of the open paint can. Use it to wipe off extra paint from your brush. Clean can, less waste. Hack 20. Freshen garbage disposal with lemon ice cubes. Cut up lemons. Put them in an ice tray. Add some vinegar and freeze. Drop an ice cube into the disposal. It sharpens the blades and smells great. Hack 21. Prevent boilovers with a wooden spoon.
Place a wooden spoon across the top of your boiling pot. It breaks up bubbles and stops spills. No more mess on the stovetop. Hack 22. Magnetic strip for tools or hairpins. Stick a magnetic strip on the wall or inside a drawer. Keep nails, screws, or bobby pins organized and easy to reach. Hack 23. Clean blender in 30 seconds. Fill your blender halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap. Blend for 10 seconds, then rinse. Done. No scrubbing needed. Hack 24. Ice cube trick for carpet dents. Put an ice cube on the dent and let it melt. Blot it dry and use a fork to fluff it up. Your carpet looks like new again.